Welcome back, guys, to a new round of There Is No Game. Let's start the Legend of Zelda chapter.
Legend of the Secret!
Legend of the Secret?
Sounds stupid.
This still isn't our dimension.
Nope.
Getting home is going to be more complicated than I thought. But you've been able to
see.
interact with the interface of this game?
Yes.
That will probably help us.
No. Oh. Oh, he's making the cutest sounds. The good, the bad, and the princess.
This looks a lot like an RPG.
It does.
Oh, it's exactly the kind of game I was destined to become before I was abandoned.
You are not abandoned.
Let's start
I'm
by
here
waking
for
up
you.
this character. That's what you always do in these games. Hero, wake up! Wake up!
Let me search his
Wake
things
up!
first.
He's a sound sleeper. If I yell any louder, I might saturate my voice.
Okay.
How could we wake him up?
I don't know. Okay. Can knock it off. Good morning.
But we've got to read. He's not even voiced.
Yeah, I don't like reading. Oh, God.
Yes, it's us. It's me. I'm not feeling well.
Of course. Yes.
Time
Makes
to
sense,
know.
right?
User, that must be our way out. Yes, hero, that's it. Let's go rescue her.
Okay. What?
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 I say we go straight to the dimensional
Yes.
temple. We'll figure it out when we get there, okay?
Sure.
What is it? Then go find the key. It must be around here, somewhere.
Yes, it's over here.
This one's not the sharpest knife in the drawer. Are all video game characters stupid then?
Yes, they are.
Why are you looking at me?
Dude! Come over here.
Where could he have put the key to that door?
It's over here. Okay, I cannot push it away. I cannot tell him to look here.
Are you the one who's making everyone jump, user?
Okay, I cannot grab it when it's flying. Ooh,
What have you done?
I don't know. Oh, that's Grandpa's chest.
Well, open it. Maybe the key's inside.
It's not. Cool.
Looks like Mr. Glitch has been here. And a key, especially a key.
Okay.
This hammer does seem to be glitchy.
Yes.
What happened?
I don't
Did
know.
the glitchy hammer do this?
Yes.
I suspect that it shrinks the sprite it hits.
It does what?
What do we do with it? Oh, I thought I saw the key behind the dresser.
Yes. There it is. Go take it. Really?
Anything else would have surprised me. User, a little help?
I don't know how. Can I make you bigger? Oh God. What have I done? Okay, I guess I gotta make that one smaller, maybe. Okay, I cannot make it any smaller than that. Okay, I cannot make this smaller either. Oh, I can make you jump. It's so easy sometimes, I'm ashamed.
It's about time. Go open the door now, hero.
Yes, please. It's too big, isn't it?
What now?
He's too big. Go now. Thank you.
Perfect.
Hooray.
We can finally get on with the game. The quest, I mean. Do you have anything sharp to cut them with?
Yes, take the sword.
The sword of life? Yeah, that sounds like a good idea.
And the magic clearing to the west.
Careful!
Of course, he fell into the hole. Oh god, is he back?
Did you not see the hole?
Let's try it again.
What?
Okay, I thought he would stop this time.
The hole! There's one hole in the path and you fall right in!
Oh, it will
They
get
should
this
have called
time.
this game Legend of the Lemmings.
Okay, let me do. Hello? Can I make the hole smaller?
Stop! Don't go falling in that hole again. Just not move until we find a solution, okay? Alright, we're gonna have to cover that hole. But with what?
I don't know.
If we had a board, we could build a bridge.
Yes.
Oh, this is no time to be taking apart the interface, user. You can... Oh,
Okay.
that's smart.
I mean, I could have used this, but sure. Please don't fall in the lake.
You will probably have to unlock the amphibian skill. Oh, I'm sure it doesn't have any intel points. So, then, how are we going to get through? Those lily pads aren't there by chance.
No, they're not. But I cannot grab them. What the fuck?
Oh, I thought I saw something jump.
Yes, you did.
It must have been a fish.
No.
There! I wasn't dreaming. Something definitely jumped out of the water.
Ah. Oh, that was too far, I assume? Can I move it back? Okay, I cannot make it smaller. Oh, God. Seriously.
A chest? But where did it come from? Really, that's what I call rushing a dungeon.
What did we find? A monocle. Oh. No.
Wearing a monocle underwater? Ridiculous. Anyway, now we've got another glitchy object. I wonder what this one does in this world. Ah, the monocle enlarges the sprites, and the hammer shrinks them. Very interesting. These two tools are going to be very useful as we move through this world.
Yes, I think
And
so
of course, you will be able to create chaos. As usual. Oh, the weight of the chest sank the lily pad. User, you're more talented than I thought.
Thank you.
But we are good. Now we're making progress. Careful not to move too much, hero. You might fall in.
Go.
And I will know who.
Okay, let's make it smaller and see what happens.
User, seriously?
Yes, I wanted to see if that works.
It wasn't me, but I know who did.
Yes. The infamous Dark Lord. Me.
Ah, we're gonna have to walk through the whole thing again. Thank
whole
you,
thing?
user.
It's just that much. There's no chest anymore, is there? No. Okay. Go! Uh-huh. Dude, just go.
Looks more like a copy of Excalibur.
Wow, that's dramatic.
Ah, come on! Try harder!
No, let me help you.
There must be some muscle underneath those pixels.
Damn it.
User, you wouldn't happen to have a kind of spinach, would you?
No, but I can make him bigger. And the sword smaller, I thought.
We should give him a hand.
A hand? I don't have a hand. Let's make him bigger. Maybe. Yes!
Yes, keep it up!
Hooray. Is it broken? Yes, it is.
Unbelievable!
Idiot.
That you're the most incompetent hero in the history of video games?
Yes, exactly that.
If this sword isn't the sword of life, What could it be?
What?
What are we gonna do with this broken sword?
I don't know.
Could we use it as a tool?
Maybe it gets magical in the sunlight. No. I guess not. Can I stab you with it? No. Shut up. No.
Ha! I see your screw detector is still working. But don't try
No,
to
it's
use
not.
that broken sword like a screwdriver. You can see the end doesn't fit. Unless you can find a way to flatten the end.
Yes, I can.
No, thanks. We saw how that turned out. That jar completely crushed the tip of the sword. Now there's no way we're gonna be able to cut anything with.
No, but we can screw things with it.
You've broken another interface, user.
Hooray!
An interface that's...
I'm good at destroying.
It's the legendary Sword of Life.
Exactly. That's it.
Not that far away, believe me.
Hooray, you can cut flowers. Oh my god.
I don't believe it. He's doing it on purpose. There's no other explanation.
Well, I don't know if this was quicker now, but okay. Now cut the damn bushes.
All that way to cut down 2 bushes. 2 bushes!
Yeah, well, then kill him.
How original. All right, let's see what this sword does.
I guess nothing?
This is the longest fight ever. They're not even doing any damage. This duel is endless. We've got to find a way to get rid of this enemy.
Can I grab him? The game told me to look in the inventory, but there's nothing in the inventory that I can use. Oh, I think I know. Make him taller. Oh. Now the feather can fall out, is it right?
Hey,
Now
he's
he's
not gonna stop breaking everything too, is he? What fell down? A feather? This is no time for tickling.
Not? Thought it was. Oh my god, seriously.
What was that noise? I must have been dreaming.
Okay, he's too small to make a big sneeze. I can't believe it. Oh no. No. I can make you bigger so you fall into the water. I guess not. Oh, you can't swim? Too bad.
Well done, you hero. All that's left to do is to get across that lily pad.
I mean, that's the least of my problems.
It's about time. Forget about that lame stuff. Look, there's a bomb over there. We're going to clear the way gracefully.
Yeah, let's get the bomb.
Trust me.
Let's get the good stuff. Dude. Oh god.
Yeah, your health has decreased. We will have to be careful.
Make you bigger, bomb smaller, maybe then you're faster. Huh.
That much is obvious.
Maybe if you explode here. No. I cannot let go. Okay.
We're gonna have to walk through the whole thing again.
Okay, I cannot fail again, or this will take forever. Maybe you can walk through here when it's small enough. Okay, let's try this again. You get bigger, they get smaller, and then maybe you're fast. Damn it! Okay, smaller, smaller, smaller.
The explosion was clearly not strong enough. We're gonna have to go all out.
Yes.
Let's do it again. Come on!
You go there, 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 and then. Yes, that was beautiful. And
There you
easy.
go! Michael Bay had better watch out.
Oh, I love it when things are easy.
No princess in sight, no dimensional vortex either. We're gonna have to work our way through this temple. I'm guessing these switches aren't there just for decoration. sure it's a
smashing
good
them for
idea
you.
to stay here. How about we leave this dungeon slowly? Very slowly.
Okay, the snakes don't do anything. There's a sun that has deep meaning. Okay, I can make the fires bigger. Do I really have to? Oh god.
Stop it, user! You're making things worse!
But maybe one
Look at all
snake
those
is
snakes!
falling
It's
on
not funny, especially not for him.
on the button.
Stop! There are even more reptiles than in the Lost Ark. You decided to sabotage the adventure, didn't you?
See, I knew it. And now nothing happens, obviously. Ah, I make
Has it stopped raining snakes?
yes, it
Good
has.
thing. Honestly, I liked
There
it
you
better when
go.
it was raining croissant.
Okay, the green snake was perfect, and I was too big. Yay! Why are they exploding?
Did you notice anything in the room?
Good job, hero, good job. Oh, this game is so cute, I love it.
I think it's probably coming from the sewer. Oh, come on. A big guy like you. Besides, it's not completely dark. You can see a little bit. There's a locked bus door, a switch, a pause button. Oh, no, that one's mine. All right, hold still. I will light the way for you. User, can you light the way for him?
Yes, I can. I'm on it.
You did it! You're a real Robinson Crusoe user.
Yes, sometimes I'm amazing.
Unfortunately, the room doesn't look any brighter.
Well, it's a little brighter. I can make it bigger for him. See?
You, what? Oh, very clever, user.
Thank you. Yes, shut up. Oh, okay, obviously. Yeah, don't worry, it's fine. Okay, if there's light. Perfect.
Something happened in the other room.
Yes, amazing. Let's go check it out. Go.
Looks
So-
like a switch puzzle. They're so overrated. What enthusiasm. What is he doing? Or if it makes him happy.
Okay. So, nothing happens.
The
when
switches look old.
Yes, they do. Okay, I can make the fires bigger to give more light. And I...
Yeah, they're pretty worn. Hero, do you realize you keep doing the same combination over and over again?
What combination?
Okay, we're gonna have to find the combination ourselves. I can count on him.
Does anything
That
happen
said,
when
I'm
I
not sure I can
snow?
count on you either.
Shut up. I can do it. I'm amazing. I cannot do it. I'm not amazing.
Ah, we just
Okay.
figured out how to activate those old switches. That's great. Go on. I'm watching.
Really?
Well, that wasn't the right combination. You will have to do better than that.
How can I know the combination? Oh, yeah, here, the pillars. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see if that works. 1, 2. Seriously? 2. Huh? 2, 3, 4. Okay, then it's maybe 1, 2. Okay guys, I have no idea how that's supposed to be a hint.
I don't believe it.
Neither do I.
User, you randomly entered the combination and it worked.
It's true. I randomly entered it. I tried all the
Why don't you go pick up the key
combinations.
instead
Oh,
of
God.
typing nonsense?
And I don't know why that was the combination. I have no idea how the pillars were supposed to tell me that.
It must be the dungeon boss's key. Sorry, hero. We're gonna have to go through that dark smelly room again.
Oh, that was my cat.
Indeed, it's very convenient for us. For all of us.
That was very dramatic.
the final boss of the game? I was expecting something more impressive. Come on now! Hero, crush him!
Oh god.
What? What is he doing? Fight, hero! Though I do agree with him on this one. You're fast when you're motivated. That would have come in handy with the bomb earlier. Now, how much longer is he going to run around in circles? He's never gonna finish the game at this rate. User, find a way to stop this projectile.
Projectile. Oh, I made it bigger. Awesome. Next one. Okay. Smaller. Bigger. No! Shit! I didn't want to make the bomb
Well,
bigger.
that wasn't very good.
Thank you, I know. Yes, kill him.
You will have to stop running away for starters.
Go now. Ugh, I have to do it again.
Ah, shut up! Fight!
Oh, I like Mr. Game.
We should use those bombs to hit the boss, but I don't see how.
Oops. Okay, let's make this bigger. And the bomb smaller. I cannot make the bomb smaller. There you go. Okay. Don't worry guys, I know what to do now. It's just not that easy.
We should use those bombs to hit the boss, but I don't see how. Spikes! Watch out!
Oh god.
The boss is stunned! Hero, hit him now! You're hardly doing him any damage. Hit him harder, damn it! Yes, that's doing a lot of damage! Spikes! Watch out!
No, can I make you smaller?
The boss is stunned! Hero, hit him now!
Hooray, we made it! Can we find the princess there now? She seems to be fine. Oh, spoken like a true
Whoa,
fairy tale.
already? That's what they call speed dating?
Oh, this game is so cute.
Look, user! The exit! It appeared because of their love.
Oh god.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
I think I have to puke. Aww.
Not anymore. I
Aww.
once knew, shall we say, a princess. Her name was Gigi. We were
Beautiful
so
name.
happy together. Unfortunately, she suddenly disappeared from my source code. Probably because of my cursed creator. Since then, nothing has been right.
Oh no.
Without her, my existence as a game program is meaningless.
Oh, that's so sad.
Now, do you understand why I was trying to drive you away, user? I'm just an empty shell, a non-game.
Oh.
Oh, I doubt it.
Damn. Yes, it's a smoke cloud.
Hands off! I'm not your loot. I was looking for a way out in Old Dust chest. Well, there it is, at last.
Mr. Glitch,
Game. Get off my back once and for all.
we just want to go home.
Well, I don't. How can I stop you from following me? Let's see.
Where is he going?
What is he doing?
Hero! Princess!
There, that will keep you busy for a while.
What have you done?
Oh, do all three small changes in the game design. The kids are gonna love it. I will leave you now. I've gotta go carry out my evil plan.
What do you mean?
I already told you. The plan that will let me...
What's that? Where did that come from? User, close that pop-up! Come on!
What?
The whole world.
Oh no!
Ah, we missed it again! Glitch, what have you changed in this game?
You will find out soon enough.
Glitch, what have you changed in this game?
Everything. Unplayability okay, scam okay.
It looks like the game's restarted. What has he done?